I am going to explain about multivibrator. First of all, we see definition of multivibrator. An electronic device that produces a non-sinusoidal waveform as its output is known as a multivibrator. The generated non-sinusoidal waveforms are basically a square wave, rectangular wave, a triangular wave, sawtooth wave or ramp wave, etc. It is a two-stage RC coupled amplifier that operates in two modes. The modes are basically termed as state of the multivibrator. Next, basics of multivibrator. The multivibrator is a switching circuit and it is basic configuration. Here, two amplifiers are employed in which the output from the first stage act as input to the second stage. The output of the second stage then through a feedback path is provided to the input of the first stage. The operation of the circuit is controlled by two conditions on and off the circuit. It performs oscillation between high and low state 0, 1, thereby generating a continuous output. A multivibrator has the ability to store binary number count pulses, and at the same time synchronization between the arithmetic operation is also maintained by a multivibrator in a digital system. Types of multivibrator. Multivibrator consists of a stable multivibrator, monostable multivibrator, bistable multivibrator. A stable multivibrator. A stable multivibrator is a type of multivibrator that does not require a triggering pulse. Thus sometimes known as a free running multivibrator. It necessarily provides square wave as it is output. A stable multivibrator is called because both states present here are unstable. Quasi-stable, this means output swings between 0 and 1 and neither 0 nor 1 is the stable state. Monostable multivibrator. Monostable multivibrator is a type of multivibrator that has single stable state. Mono means one, thus the name itself indicates one state stable and quasi-stable state. It is also known as an one-shot multivibrator. Here a triggering pulse is used in order to have transition from a stable state to quasi-stable state. However, no any triggering pulse is provided to have transition from quasi to stable state. Bistable multivibrator. A type of multivibrator whose output consists of two stable states is known as bistable multivibrator. The circuit switches from one stable state to other when appropriate trigger pulse is applied. In a nutshell, in a bistable multivibrator, one stable state can be maintained until a triggering pulse is provided. Applications of multivibrator. A stable multivibrator find its application in delay and timing circuit and in transmission and reception of radio signals. Monostable multivibrators are majorly used in analog system in order to control the frequency of the signal at the output. These are also used for regenerating a distorted pulsed signal. Bistable multivibrator are also used as a frequency divider, counters, latches, and in memory storage units.